Are you tired of getting spam or unwanted emails in your Hotmail inbox? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to block emails on Hotmail, the quick and updated 2025 method that actually works. Whether it's random promotions or annoying senders, by the end of this video, you'll have full control over what lands in your inbox. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to outlook.com. That's the current interface for Hotmail accounts. Sign in using your Hotmail email address and password. Once you're on your inbox page, look at the top right corner and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. A menu will slide out from the right side, scroll down and click on View All Outlook Settings. From here, select Mail and then Junk Email. This section is where you can manage all your blocked and saved senders. Now, under Blocked Senders and Domains, click Add. Type in the email address or even the domain name you want to block. For example at email.com or at spamwebsite.com. Once you're done, click Save. From now on, any message from that sender will automatically go straight to your junk email folder, meaning you'll never have to deal with it again. If you've already received spam messages and want to block them directly, there's an even quicker way. Go to your inbox, right-click on the unwanted email, and choose Block. Outlook will delete the message instantly and add the sender to your blocked list. And if you ever change your mind, you can go back to your junk email settings, select a blocked address, and remove it. That's it. Simple, fast, and 100% effective in 2025. By keeping your blocked list updated, you'll keep your inbox clean, organized, and free of distractions. If this guide helped you, make sure to keep your notifications on for more easy tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.